Hey everyone, Eric with Rockin' H, and you buy one of these cool trucks and it never fails that you knock it off a shelf or somebody bumps it and you break one of these mirrors right here. What a pain in the butt that is. So in this video what we'll do is we're going to start out by drawing a set of replacement 379 mirrors. That way we have a good source for them, so if we break one we can replace it. What I think I'm going to do here, I'm going to take this blue object, I'm going to duplicate this, and then I'm going to move it out. I'm using the arrow keys on my keyboard to move that object. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this blue object into a hole. Now why would I do that? The way you delete spaces on objects is to turn another object into a hole and then join them together. So we have this hollow part now, which is the hole, which is the copy of the blue object. Now I'm just going to group these two together and see, now you can see through this. On the real model, there should be approximately 6.3 millimeters between the end of this attachment point and the end of this one. At this second, I don't think we have that. We can actually pull a ruler out to the plane. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy these two objects again, and we're just going to move these over here to this one. And we'll turn our snap grid off. Let's turn it to 1.1. Now we're going to shorten them up. Let's make this 9 again. And then we're going to turn it 45. Let's see what we get here. Okay, we're going to turn that. And for demonstration purposes, I'll go ahead and show you how I would do the rest of this. I may not leave it like this. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. And we'll make that just a little wider yet. Let's do 140. And that's it. So now we have 10 sets that we can print all at one time, and we just cut them away from this wire and they should be good to go. As I just mentioned, I may not leave them exactly the way they see them. I might change up how I have these wired together. Just to be more efficient with the design and make it simple to take off this wire and get really good results. So we'll see how it goes. Anyways, this is one way you can draw up a replacement part for your 1/64 scale vehicles.